Okay, an update. Last night and the night before I slept in Plymouth. I stayed in the same spot 2 nights in a row, residential street, very quiet, obviously no charges, so free, fantastic. I slept in the driver's seat again last night. It seems to work out quite well, and it's almost as comfortable as sitting in the back. I don't have to tidy it all up in the morning. It is getting colder though, I noticed, so the blanket and the sleeping bag I was covered with last night. Yeah, the first day in Plymouth, I spent most of it in the town area, kind of in Wetherspoons and doing some work on the laptop and then walking about. And I kind of wanted to get out of there really. I don't really want to be in towns. It's a city, I think, isn't it? It's huge. But the second day, I ventured down to the harbour, and the harbour was really nice. Walked along there, a couple of beers in the Blue Anchor pub, and really nice fish and chips around the corner from there. Can't remember what it was called. And then, yeah, walked back to my car, got my head down last night about 8:30, I think. The usual, woke up a couple of times, could hear someone talking out their window, out their house at 2:30 in the morning, someone on the phone or something. But woke up this morning about 7:30, so good sleep last night. So I've got out of town, going west. I've just got on the little car ferry, and I'm probably going to head towards St Austell. I've just parked up here at Portwrinkle. I couldn't help but stop here with a village called Portwrinkle. It's probably not a village, it's like a little hamlet. But I'm just going to jump out here. The weather is a complete transformation from yesterday, of course. It's wet, windy, grey skies. So yeah, kind of gotten used to it. But yeah, let's have a look, see what's outside.